Think formatting DAX in Power BI is a waste of time? Think again. Let's talk about why taking a few extra minutes to format your DAX formulas is totally worth it. First, clarity for everyone. Well-formatted DAX helps you and anyone else quickly understand the logic behind your reports. Next, clean and professional. A neat DAX code makes your report look more polished and organized. Then, troubleshooting made easier. Spotting errors or troubleshooting becomes a breeze when your formulas are nicely structured. Consistency. Across reports. Keeping a standard format across all reports helps your team maintain a unified approach. And lastly, easier to update. Organized DAX means quicker, less error-prone updates. Pro tip: use the SQL BI DAX Formatter tool to save time and ensure your code looks neat and professional. So, take those extra minutes to format your DAX and make a big difference for your team and yourself. Follow ANMOL Power BI Corner for more tips and insights.